Jack was the one that really got me interested in it. He is one of those things where, one, he came up with it on his own, he wanted to do. I didn't have to say anything. And two, he kept pushing me to come back.
Hi, my name is Sharon and this is my husband, Mark. We're the owners of Art by Fire in downtown Issaquah. Art by Fire is a glass-blowing gallery and school that's open to the community to come in and learn how to blow glass. However, we need your help in order to help make Art by Fire more eco-friendly.
Our furnace here at Art by Fire has not been cold in 9 years, and in those 9 years, technology has moved ahead significantly. A new furnace here will reduce our electricity usage by about 75% and our gas usage by 30%. Those reductions in energy usage will make our business more efficient, more ecologically friendly, and will make the studio more comfortable for our users and our staff.
Now you may be asking, how does GoFundMe play a role in this? Well, GoFundMe is a crowdfunding website. Crowdfunding is when you donate to a cause, and we will be sending appreciation gifts to those of you that help support us. Because we really truly do appreciate your help with something that we can't do on our own. We really want to go forward and become more eco-friendly.
The goal of our furnace campaign is to replace our existing furnace with a state-of-the-art double furnace. To replace our existing furnace will take about $55,000. All this money will go to either the furnace campaign or to an account dedicated to improvements that will help our energy efficiency and help us be generally more green. The result of this new furnace will be a much better glass, much better experience in the shop for our students and our staff. And this will help us keep connected with the amazing community we have here in Issaquah for years to come.
It's exciting that Art by Fire is looking to replace their furnace with an eco-friendly version which aligns with Issaquah's commitment to environmental preservation and sustainability. This project combines two of Issaquah's values, celebrating the arts and preserving the environment.
Thank you for your support throughout the years, and we encourage you to go find our GoFundMe page and donate. We hope to be serving you for many more years to come as part of the eco-friendly Issaquah. Thank you.